Hello, welcome back to a new video. This time I will unbox the GIGABYTE B550M DS3H motherboard. This motherboard has the brand new B550 chipset that support the new generation of AMD Ryzen desktop solution. So let's see what are its main specifications. So this motherboard support CPU 3rd generation AMD Ryzen processors. It has socket IM4. It supports one PCI Express 4.0 for graphic interface. It is a micro ATX motherboard. It supports up to 4 modules of memory. It has 4 SATA 3 connectors, 2 M2 connectors for the new SSD, 8 channels HD audio, GB LAN, and 6 USB 3.2 generation 1 plus 6 USB 2.0. So let's see what we have inside. We have 2 SATA cables, flat cables, which are nice. We have the back plate. A CD driver, a CD with the drivers, some manuals, and the installation guide. And this is the main motherboard. So let's see. So as you can see, we have the audio output, the 3 USB 3.1 output, 4 USB 2.0, 1 DVI output, 1 HDMI, the gigabit LAN connectors, and 1 PS2 output. The motherboard is quite simple. For the DDR4 support. The chipsets have some radiator over them, so in theory the motherboard should be quite cold. I like that it's painted in black. It came with a 3-year warranty. If you have any questions, please write them into comments and I will respond you as quick as I can. Till next time, take care of you, and please subscribe if you like this video. Goodbye.